Second set. Naukasanam with ball. 21 count holding position. Legs straight. Join big toes. Tighten kneecap. Lips closed. Naukasanam. Ready. Slowly come to final position. Stay there and stay strong. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fold both legs. Setbandhasanam. Catch ankle. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Lift thigh, sit, lower back, mid back and upper back. Try to more lift your mid back and upper back. Setbandhasanam. Try to more lift your mid back and upper back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Total body turn to right side. Sit in Vajrasanam. Parvatasanam. Parvatasanam. Separate legs. Don't lift heel. Full foot on mat, full sole on mat. Legs straight. Tighten both kneecap. Total pull down upper body like a dog stretching. Downward dog stretching. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, head, neck, upper back and mid back. Pull down and find your stomach. Only find your stomach, not mat, not foot, not kneecap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. With the 2 dumbbells, standing position. With the 2 dumbbells, standing position. Join foot, lips closed. Join foot, lips closed. Hands, full rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Anti-clock. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With the ball, right leg push back, hands above head. Hands above head. Now don't down your hands. Lift leg and touch ball with right leg, with right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Separate legs. with ball half sit-ups. Separate legs. Lips closed. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. With brick support, butterfly. With brick support, butterfly. Thigh, hips, full up and full down. Spine straight, full up and full down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now straight down on abdomen. Dhanurasanam. Relax on abdomen. Fold both legs. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Catch ankle. Separate foot, knee, thigh. Catch ankle, right to right, left to left. Both hands straight, elbows straight. Pull your legs back. Pull your legs back. Lift thigh, lift upper body. Lift thigh, lift upper body. Come on, lift more. Lift more. Lips closed, eyeball facing roof. Dhanurasanam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, come on, lift, 2, 1. Sashankashanam. Sashankashanam. Standing position with 2 dumbbells. Join foot, lips close. Lips close. Hands, side liftings. Hands, side liftings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Separate legs. Both foot straight, no V shape, no cross. Stretch in, stretch out. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dumbbells drop. Turn to north side. Full wide, more wide. Hands above shoulder level. Now catch left foot with right hand. Catch left foot with right hand. Stand straight. 2. Stand straight. 3. Stand straight. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Standing position. Join legs. Now the real position. Parivritta Trikonasanam. Same, turn to north side. Full wide your legs, more wide your legs, double wide your legs. Brick inside left foot heel. Dumbbell with left hand. Brick inside left foot heel, left foot ankle. Dumbbell with left hand. Both foot turn to left side, both foot facing left side. Both hands above shoulder level. Upper body facing sun guard wallpaper. Now slowly turn your upper body to my table side. Turn your upper body to my table side from left hand side. Come on. Try to more twist your upper body to cupboard side. Try to more twist your upper body to cupboard side. Don't bend your knees. Don't bend your legs. Now slowly bend your upper body. Take support brick with right hand. From the mat, above left hand should be straight 90. Left hand, left shoulder, left upper back, more pull back side. Tighten kneecap. Tighten kneecap. Parivritta Trikonasanam. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Come on, stay strong. 3, pull back set. 2, 1. Hip rotation clockwise. Hip rotation clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anti-clock. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With ball, bend forward. Separate legs. Both foot right, no V shape, no cross. Total bend forward. Don't bend your knees. Don't bend your legs. Always tighten kneecap. Ready. With ball, upper body. Slowly down to back side. Ardha Chakrasanam. Look back, look back, look back. But be careful. 1. Stay there. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ready. With ball, left leg push back. Hands above head. Don't down your hands, don't down your ball. Only lift leg and touch ball with left foot. lips closed. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Separate legs with the ball, half sit-ups. Hands straight, hands above shoulder level. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit down. Eyes closed, lips closed. Maintain normal breathe.